Hey guys, you tired of that boring old chicken that you fix over and over again? Hey, fix this Alabama white sauce chicken on the Blackstone Griddle tonight. Boy, it's gonna be some good groceries and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's go. That's some good groceries. All right, y'all, let's get started with Alabama white sauce first. We're going to use 3/4 cup of mayonnaise here. I'm using Duke's mayonnaise, state law around here. And to that, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of prepared horseradish. And for salt and pepper, we're going to use this Essentials blend because it's got all this kind of goodness all in it. Hey, if you want a little bit of heat in your game, add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Me, don't want to do any heat. I'm good to go. Now we're just going to give this a nice whisk, get it all incorporated. If you feel like it needs to be a little bit more loose, add a little bit more apple cider vinegar. If you think it needs to be thicker, add a little bit more mayonnaise. Just kind of make it your own, y'all. Just give us a try. It's tangy, it's creamy. That horseradish really cuts through. It's going to be some good groceries, y'all. Let's get started with the chicken now. So what we're working with here, guys, is some chicken tenders. I like working with chicken tenders. They're nice, they're flavorful, easy to cook, and just all around a good cut. I'm just going to come in with some Essentials blend. And I'm just going to season just one side for right now. I'll put the other side down. I want to re-season it on that side. All right, after you season those chicken tenders up, let's come over to the griddle. We'll put a little bit of avocado oil down. We're running at about 375, 400 degrees for these. You don't want to go blistering hot, but you also don't want to go real low either, guys. When you lay those chicken tenders down, you want to hear a sizzle coming from the griddle. If you don't hear a sizzle, wait a little bit longer, pre-warm it just a little bit longer, guys. Now that we have the seasoned side down, we're going to come and we're going to season the other side. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment below. I'd love to interact with you. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to flip these over. We're going to cook them for another additional 2 to 3 minutes on this other side. All right, we're going to temp our chicken tenders here. I know they're not ready, but it's going to get us ready for the next step. And these are about at 145 degrees, which is perfect. Almost done, just still got about 20 more degrees. So we're gonna take a little bit of this sauce and we're gonna drizzle over each tender. And then after you get done drizzling all of these, we're gonna flip them over and do the exact same thing to this side. I do recommend going with tongs instead of a spatula here, like I have done. We just wanna cook the Alabama white sauce just right into that chicken tender, y'all. All right, now we're gonna get these tenders off of the griddle, get them on our Blackstone cutting board. Let's go over here, let's give these a try. Hey, we're not done yet, y'all. We are not done. We're gonna take this sauce and we're gonna come in, we're gonna drizzle it all over these chicken tenders. All right, y'all, this Alabama white sauce chicken is creamy, it's juicy. Look at all this juice just dripping out of this chicken. The sauce looks amazing. I think we're gonna give these a try. I wanna come here and make sure I get a lot of this sauce because I love this sauce. Whew, boy, look at that. Cheers, y'all. Dang it, boy. Woohoo! That's some good groceries right there. The creaminess of that mayonnaise really cuts through. That tanginess from the apple cider vinegar. You need to give this chicken a try. I promise you will love it. Y'all, I appreciate you stopping in. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.